Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to test calcium hardness in your pool. Maintaining proper calcium levels is crucial for your pool's health and longevity. Imbalanced calcium can lead to issues like cloudy water, scaling on surfaces, or even equipment corrosion. We'll walk through the simple steps to accurately measure your pool's calcium hardness, ensuring your water stays perfectly balanced and your pool remains in top condition. Let's dive in. Before you begin, gather your essential testing supplies. You'll need a reliable calcium hardness test kit, which typically includes a test vial, a measuring spoon, and several reagent solutions. Always check the expiration dates on your reagents. Expired chemicals can give inaccurate readings. Make sure your test vial is clean and free of any residue from previous tests to ensure the most precise results. Having everything ready makes the process smooth. Now let's perform the test. First, collect a water sample from your pool, ideally at elbow depth, away from jets or skimmers. Fill the test vial to the indicated line. Next, add the specified number of drops of each reagent, usually a buffer, an indicator, and a titrant, following your kit's instructions precisely. Swirl the sample gently after each addition until the color changes, indicating the calcium hardness level. This color change is key. Once your test is complete, interpret the results. The ideal calcium hardness range for most pools is between 200 and 400 parts per million. If your levels are too low, you can add calcium chloride to increase hardness. If they are too high, a hardness reducer or partial drain and refill might be needed. Maintaining this balance prevents damage and keeps your pool sparkling. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home sparkling too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.